welcome back to my channel, me Vasu. Today's video is all about my first Vox box that I received from Influencer as a complimentary, and it's none other than Nespresso's VirtuoNext coffee and espresso machine. So let's open together. Here on the box I see an espresso represented as a small, double espresso and Gran Lungo as a medium, coffee mug or caf and an alto as a large, and carafe as an XL. So let's open and see what's there inside. I'm so excited to open this because I'm a very huge lover of coffee, and then I received the same. Wow. Okay, so now without any further delay, let's open this and see what's inside for us. I'm so excited and happy that I'm opening it in front of y'all. Trust me, I didn't open at all. So this is something. Contents. Okay, let me read out the contents for you. Contains 11 capsules of roast and ground coffee. Nice. And 1 capsule of decaffeinated roast and ground coffee for the Nespresso system. See guys, it's so classy. Wow. Nice. Okay, let's keep this aside. Then they gave this Discover Nespresso, join and enjoy. Oh, I have a coupon as well for this. I'll not show you. This is the manual of how to use it. Wow. Let me turn. Okay. How do I open it? I don't know. I think. Oh, good. It's a base for my cup. I wasn't sure if it was visible while I was unboxing it. So again, I have done all the settings for you. So this is the machine. Let me show you in 360 degrees. Oh God. So it is so wonderfully designed. If you see this, the Nespresso is in steel. I think I have done everything. I think I showed everything for y'all. Let's clear the manual, the content, the packaging, about something on the VertuoNext. Safeguards, precautions, overview, activity and software update. Okay. First use or after a long period of non-use, coffee preparation, energy saving concept, research to factory settings, cleaning. Oh my god, there's so much. I don't want to waste your time until I read all this manual, and then once the setup is ready, then I will show you the making of my espresso. Even before I jump into all this setup after reading the manual, I'm so excited to open this box. So let's open this. Okay. So let's open it. Okay. Wow, it's so colorful. Okay, the Alto, the Coffee, the Grand Lungo, Espresso Double, Espresso. Okay, let's open and see how they are. Wow, so colorful. I'm not able to differ for the sizes here. Might be green. Green is an Alto. Okay. So these are the small pods. This is the barcode. If you see this is the barcode, which the machine recognizes, and then the coffee is made accordingly. Okay, barista creations. Wow. Let's see now. Okay, I'm closing this. I'll set up the machine and then come back to y'all. So I'm ready with all the setup here. I fill the water there, and there is a small container box here where you can store the coffee pods here. I'm not able to remove that now. Okay, and this is the cup base. It has 3 different sections here. If it's a big cup, you can keep it down. You can adjust according to your cup size. Okay, so today I'm not sure how much cup of coffee I would get. So as this is the first time I'm trying it, let's see how does it go. Also here it is something that I have to wait. Let me show you. Okay, so here there is the lock and it is unlocking here. So first let me unlock this. Okay, so here is where we have to keep these pods. When I read this, espresso is a 40 ml, double espresso it's 80 ml, Grand Lungo it's 150 ml, coffee it's 250 ml, and Alto it's 414 ml. So I'll go with the least size today. I'll keep my cup for a 40 ml, and then these are the colors which I can choose, I guess. So it's these are the flavors: Dia Volito, Altisio, Volteso, Decaffeinato Intenso. I think this red is very intense dark coffee. So which color you want to choose? Let's do color. What color do you choose? Okay, let's go with this Volteso. Okay, I'm keeping this over here. I'm not sure if that's the right way or not, but let's see. Okay, I'm locking it. The locking is done. So let's see. I'm using a glass jar to check how it's going to be, the color, the thickness. Then we'll shift it to my coffee cup. Okay. Oh, I think this is too big. Okay. Okay, you're able to see. Yeah. So let's start. The start button is here. A long press. I don't know if I'm doing it correct or not. Let's see. I think it's reading the barcode inside. Let's go to the manual again. Okay. Light will blink while the machine is heating up. Steady light indicates the machine is ready. The light is blinking here. Let's see what's happening. Wow! My first coffee! Trust me, the smell is so good. Why did it stop? Is it so little? Is that the coffee? Very less. Let's see. Let's do another trial. I'm trying it again. Let's see if it comes or not. There's no sound at all. The light is on, but I don't see any coffee coming up there. Let's change the pot now. Oh, the coffee pod went into that. So I think we need to go for a bigger one to check how it's working. Let's see what shall we take? 230 ml, 150. I think we'll go with this. Decafetano volume, ultra intense. What shall we do? Hope I have somebody here to help me out. Ultra, it's the big one. I don't even see a name here written. And I find all the pots similar sizes. Let's go with red. Okay, now let's try with this red. Looking it. Oh my god, what happened? So tough. Oh, did I do something wrong? No, it's all correct. Okay. Again, the light is blinking. Let's see if the coffee is coming as we thought. Ooh. It's a go. I can see 3 shades, one the dark and a bit lighter, and then again a darker shades. Let's see. Wow. This is the quantity of coffee that we should have every morning. I'm not sure if we can add milk in that. And also, would it be sweet or bitter? Shall I add some sugar to it? Let's see. After testing and tasting, we'll see that. Okay, I think it's all done, done. I'm so happy. It's so hot as well, guys. See. My coffee. Let me give you a closer view now. So this is how it's looking from the top. Wow. Nice. Let me transfer it to my coffee cup, which is next. Cool. Nice. I'm all set to have my first coffee from the Nespresso VirtuoNext coffee machine. Black coffee is good, but I think I should add some sugar to it. Let's do it first. I kept everything ready because I know that without a sweet coffee, I'm not sure if I can drink. So I added some sweetener. Then again I'm tasting. Yeah, now it's good. Super. Shall I add some milk and see now? I have milk as well at my side. Let me add in front of you. Okay, now with milk and sugar. Super. Coffee with milk is the usual type that I have. So I like the black coffee. Might be I should get used to having this. Otherwise, for the first time, with milk, it's good for me. This is all in this video. So if you like, give a thumbs up, share and subscribe. Until then, bye.